What's up, guys? More Medic One here, and today I want to show you a cool tool that I bought for the old Tacoma here. Well, you know, the main problem I was having is there's really not a good hole for a funnel to go down in this valve cover. And if you try to put a funnel in here, it just won't go down in here. And I've actually thought I had it in there good and started filling it up, and the dang funnel fell out of the valve cover and I spilled oil everywhere. But let me show you something that you gotta have. I ran down to my local speed shop and they had this oil funnel kit that fits, you know, Ford, Chevy, Dodge, Toyota, Honda. And what it is a adapter kit. You get a funnel, and this piece literally screws on to the valve cover. And then you screw your funnel on. Heck, you don't even need the green part. You can do it right there, but this makes it a whole lot easier. And, you know, they make these funnels that are vehicle specific. I bought the one that has all the different adapters. It's by OEM tools, as you can tell. Pretty good little brand there. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get these, what they call just a screw-in direct fit funnel. Now you can pour your quarts or your 5-quart jugs in there without spilling a drop. Check that out. Now I have seen people take an OEM cap like this one and just bore a hole through it to be able to put a funnel in there. But yeah, I believe this is 37 millimeter by 3.0 pitch threads, if that'll help you out any at all. I'm gonna go ahead and get this oil drained out of here. Got my Fumoto valve. This thing makes it hot oil changes a breeze. There we go. One thing I like about this funnel is the clear bottom portion. It allows you, whenever you're pouring the oil in, you can monitor your flow just in case you can't see the top of your funnel. As you can tell, you can pour this pretty dadgum fast, and you don't have to worry about overfilling the funnel. This engine holds 6 quarts. I'm just going to dump another quart in. Just going to let my jug hang out there. Guys, if you think you might want something like this, and I'll link in the description below, and some product links will pop up during the video that you can click on and get you this funnel set for sure. Alrighty guys, hey, if this content helped you out, and I know it did on this video, give me a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. And while you're over there doing that, clicking the bell, and so that you get all of my new videos. Y'all have a good rest of your day. More Medic One.